Adjectives are extremely important in daily life conversation because we describe pretty much everything: people, houses, food, everything around us, even our feelings. Welcome everyone, I'm Hosny from ArabicLangClub, and today I'm going to teach you 3 ultimate rules when using Arabic adjectives. Then I'm going to give you the most common Arabic adjectives. Okay, let's dig in. House of rules. Rule number 1, which is very easy. The adjective comes after the noun in the sentence. If we're going to say a beautiful car, you have to say سيارة جميلة, not جميلة سيارة. If you have a little bit of Arabic, you might think it's very easy and logical, but trust me, a lot of Arabic learners do this mistake. Rule number 2, the adjective comes directly after the noun. Don't use any word between them. Don't say سيارة هي جميلة or رجل هو وسيم, but say سيارة جميلة and say رجل وسيم. Rule number 3, noun and adjective agreement means that the noun or the thing which been described has to match with the adjective. So the adjective follows the noun in these qualities: gender, number, definiteness, and case ending. And for more details about these 4 features, check out this video. Now take a look at this example. لاعب سريع, a fast player. Where is the adjective? Well, لاعب, a player which is the noun comes first. سريع means fast, which is the adjective comes next. There is no any word between the noun and its adjective. لاعب سريع. The word لاعب is masculine, singular, indefinite, and it's in nominative case. Same exact thing like the word سريع, which is the adjective. If you have any question about these rules, just leave your comment in the comment section down below. Now let's learn the most common adjectives. House of words. Don't ever learn words separately. Learn them in sentences by repeating so many times, because repetition is a key. I'll say the word, then I'll put it in a sentence, and I want you to repeat after me. Then I'll show you some pictures, and I want you to begin to describe them by yourself. These are some adjectives that we use to describe people, the appearance and the character overall. جميلة تعني beautiful, like بنت جميلة. بنت جميلة, a beautiful girl. وسيم تعني handsome, like ولد وسيم. ولد وسيم, a handsome boy. طويل تعني tall, like رجل طويل. رجل طويل, a tall man. قصيرة تعني short. امرأة قصيرة. امرأة قصيرة, a short woman. سمين تعني fat. زوج سمين. زوج سمين, a fat husband. نحيفة تعني thin. زوجة نحيفة. زوجة نحيفة, a thin wife. كبير تعني big or old, like طفل كبير, a big kid. صغيرة. صغيرة تعني small or young, like طفلة صغيرة. طفلة صغيرة, a small kid. جذاب تعني attractive, like you can say ممثل جذاب. ممثل جذاب, an attractive actor. And then we have أنيق تعني fashionable, like مدرس أنيق. مدرس أنيق, a fashionable teacher. Or ممثل أنيق. ممثل أنيق, a fashionable actor. ودود تعني friendly. زوج ودود. زوج ودود, a friendly husband. لطيفة, cute or nice, like زوجة لطيفة. زوجة لطيفة, a nice wife. مضحك means funny. ممثل مضحك. ممثل مضحك, a funny actor. طيب means or تعني kind. رجل طيب. رجل طيب, a kind man. مؤدبة تعني polite, like طالبة مؤدبة. طالبة مؤدبة, a polite student. Focus that you can easily put the feminine sign to make the adjective feminine, like جميلة, or without the ta مربوطة, the feminine sign for masculine adjectives, like جميل. Time to practice yourself. Trust yourself and look at the picture and describe it. رجل طويل. ممثل جذاب. بنت جميلة. ولد وسيم. طالبة مؤدبة. ممثل مضحك. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. سلام، إلى اللقاء.